In this class we are going to use goal seek. For goal seek we are using very simple mathematics, simple thing, that is find out, that is we are using profit calculations. And for these things, first we have to uh, build the model, and this is our model. And so first we just think shoppers at shopper sell 50,000 product, one product, then product price is 10, and then fixed cost is 30,000 and variable cost is 5, variable cost of per in 5. So we want to find out the profit, then we will use goal seek. So what is profit? Profit equals to units sold into price. Okay, then variable cost equals to units sold into price. Then fixed cost 30 lakhs, just use equal and just click here, then 30,000 will be there. And then profit equals to revenue minus variable cost minus fixed cost. So for 50, this is our profit. So we want to know if we want to profit 3 lakhs, then what will be the other what are the chances in other variables? If we want to increase our profit, we can do three things in this problem. We can increase our unit sold, and we can increase our price, and sometimes we can increase our price because price exactly, if we increase our price, then customer will not buy our product. Then another things, that is variable, we can decrease variable cost. So it's this is a very tough one. Then what we want to do, we want to see that if we want to profit 3 lakhs, then what will be the impact. So for this, so what is our goal? Our goal is to increase profit 3 lakhs. And where it is it is in profit, and this is a formula, you have to focus on it. And another things, you as when you prepare, then please use the same thing. Without equation this will not work. You have to use equations. So click here, and we want to change this profit, then go to data, use goal seek button, and this is our set cells. And in this cell we want to change our profit, and that is 3 lakhs, to value means 3 lakhs. So and by changing what? By changing unit sold. Just see, if we are able to we will able to sell 6,000 unit of product, then our profit will be 3 lakhs. So for another problem, first we just take this as input. So for other problem, it's better to take, as in this class we will use other problem as well. So what we want to do, we want to increase our profit up to which level? Up to 3 lakhs. Then goal C, 3 lakhs, and this is our set sales. We want to change same things by changing demand. Click OK, then we'll see the changes, and we have to increase 16,000 more in it. Then another thing we can do, we can increase price. Then at the same, we want to increase our goal is to profit 3 lakhs. Then how? Changing price, and see if we increase our price 11.6, then profit will be 30,000. And this is changes. Another thing we can do for this problem, that if we are able to decrease variable cost, then our profit will be increased. For this problem, take another number, not 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs 50,000. Then see, our goal to increase our profit up to 2 lakh 50,000. Then how? Changing variable cost. Okay, if we are able to change our variable cost, then our profit, we can increase our profit up to 3 lakhs by selling same unit product. So 3 things we can do. If we are able to increase our unit sold 66,000, then our profit will be 3 lakhs. Remaining price and fixed cost will be, and variable will be same. Another thing, if we increase our price to 11.6, then our profit will be 3 lakhs. And last one, if we are able to decrease our variable cost to 4.4, then our profit will be. So in every problem 2.5 lakhs, just use the same number. What if 3 lakhs by changing variable cost? So same thing though again for this problem, by changing this one, then we can do it. Okay, so our goal was to increase our profit to 3 lakhs. And how can we do it? And this is our goal, and our goal was to increase our profit up to 3 lakhs. And how? First, by changing unit sold, by changing price, and by changing variable cost. And in each problem, goal seek provide the exact amount, exact number to do. So this is a very useful formula for business decision. We can use in different types of decision. We can use it. So now go to another problem, that is data table. So data table, there are two types of data table. One is one way, another is two way. So two way data table and 2. Okay, Geometry. So in this problem, we want to see and use the same formula and use the same thing, as you are a very very, as this course is for starting level students, so we are using very normal from model. So you need to solve 50,000, then price, then fixed cost, then variable cost, then revenue. Just use formula in every problem. Without formula, it won't work. Variable cost and profit. So we want to see if our price reduce uh, in 5 or 6 or 7 or 8, 9, or remain same, or increase 11 taka, or 12 or 13 or 14 or 15 taka, then what will be our price, what will be our profit for different types of price. So if our price decrease, for we use different variables. So if our price decrease to 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, or increase 11 or 12, 13, 14, 16, then what will be our profit? So for this problem, write in the numbers. This way we can write, we can input our numbers of price, different types of price, different price. So we are going to use one way data table 5, then use series. Okay, so one thing is very important, that you have to copy formula here. This is the most important thing. So write formula here, and this is profit. So what do we have to do? We have to copy the formula cell, and by this way, and everything remains same according to our previous problem. We use the unit sold, unit price, and the variable cost. Then next step is select from here to last, not here up to, not here up to here. Then go to data, select data tables, and import cell. What is our input? Our input in this problem is price per unit, and that is in a column, not in a row, and in column F. This is the very important things, column A. So our input row in column A, just click here and click here, then you can see profit at different prices. We can use the same problem for row levels. What is again for you. And then again for this, just for an example, for using row, one we use column and another is row. So this is one way, is table, and our input is in a row. Now in a row, just okay, put okay, then. So this is one way. What we have to do, we have to we have to put some value in a row or columns. For this problem, we take it in a row, and just before you saw, we can use this thing. This we can input this data in a row. In this problem, we're using columns, so 5 to 16. Then take the profit here. Take the profit by using equal, and just in put your by this way, and then copy, select, and just select data tables and change your row, column input 10, and okay, then you will see the results. And data table, two-way data tables. Now you will see the two-way data tables. And for the last problem, you will see so two-way data tables. Two-way data tables mean data will be in two different. Whereas for just thing, price will be 5, 6 for different price. Take price up to 15. Different price and different variable cost. So yes, just take a different values, 10. So this is price, this price column. We'll see the profit at for different price, and this price, and this is for different price. So no, this is variable cost, different variable cost, and different price. So in this problem, just see, just border the table. Now see, so just see, this is variable, here is very different variable cost, and here is different prices. What we want to see, we want to see for 5 price 5 and variables 1, what will be our profit. So just border up to this level for your understanding. We are doing this. You see, this is price level in a row, and this is variable cost. Let's see, this is the most important things, and what you have to do, just take the profit here and remember it, use all formula in everywhere. So copy this one here, and then select the whole table, not outside of the table. Select the table, and just see from here, then go to data, what if analysis. Again, these are data tables, and input row is a row cell, this is variable cost, and variable cost here, and price, a column input cell is price, and these are price. Then take, just see, so what we want to do, use conditional formatting to see profit greater than 0. Okay, again profit greater than 10,000. So these are the cells, and here, or another thing you can do, select conditional formatting, then top 10 items. So just see, our profit will be maximized at this top 10 persons. So top 10 persons, and from here we can decide if we reduce or variable cost to 4 and increase price up to, and then our will get 42,000. So by this way we can make different types of decision in our problem. At last we are using scenario manager. Scenario managers. So scenario managers can we can use different changing value, we can use different scenario for each problem. So first go to data and first we have to model our problem. This is the simplest model, this is the simple model for as you are a very big beginner. So go to scenario managers and now add scenario and give name the scenario. So best scenario by changing unit sold, comma price, comma variable cost. These are the changing cell that we want to change. Then click OK and our this thing we can sold 1 lakh unit products and our price will increase 50 taka and variable cost will reduce to 3 taka. This is our best. Okay, then take another average this thing. Okay, so just take average as it is 50 units sold 50,000 and price is 10,000 and fixed cost variable cost 5 taka. Okay, then take odds conditions. We can odds case, click OK, then odds cost 20,000 unit, then price will be 6 taka and variable cost will be 8 taka. The odds conditions. Okay, now not click show. Just take this another time. Just click summary and give summary, scenario summary. Click OK and then you will show a summary report where these are the changing value and this value is current values, current price level and current value. So our best one would be best 1 lakh, then 15, then 3 reduced price will be, and as it is, and this is our odds conditions, and this is our result sales, that is profit. And profit see this is our profit, and in your class you will understand it in a good way. I will describe it for your better understanding. So this is all about today's problem, and we will discuss this topic in your class, in your next class, in a elaborately. So by this bye for today.